welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm trying to get the boot menu. I have a pen drive, this pen drive. So I have ISO file of Ubuntu. I want to install Linux in this device because this device is basically slow down. This is Acer laptop, and I'm by pressing by inserting this pen drive. Let me insert it. By inserting this pen drive, after restarting it, so I'm not getting a boot menu from by pressing the F12 during the start of this laptop. So what I'm going to do now, I just make sure my pen drive is okay, and now I'm going to start it and going to press F2. Right guys, so I'm going to start it. Yeah, it's started, and I'm going to press F2 continuously, just pressing F2. So we have this screen now. So guys, let me tell you, I have to press F12, sorry, I have to press that arrow button, and I have to go there, main menu, right? So just press right arrow key, and what we will see, you can see the, this is enable, this is, yeah, F12 boot menu is disabled, right? F12 boot menu is disabled. So this is the reason I'm pressing the F12 button during the starting of this operating system. So but I'm not getting the boot menu. So to prevent from this, to get the boot menu by pressing F12, we have to enable this. Currently it's in disabled mode, you can see that, right? So I'm going to I'm going to press the down key arrow, just down key arrow press, okay, and change this disable to, you can see this is disabled now, so you have to change it by enable. So here it is disabled now currently, so I'm going to press enter button, F12 boot menu, press enter button, and we have disabled and enabled option, right? So I'm going to down key arrow button and going to enter it, right? And now it's enable, so we have to save it. So guys, if you see right side bottom, in the right bottom, save and exit button is there, right? F10, we have to press F10 to save this F12 boot menu enabled option. So we have to press F10 here. So let me press F10, right? I am going to press F10 here, and what we have, save confirmation changes and exit now. Yes, we have, yes, right? Now F12 I have to press, I'm pressing F12 button continuously. So guys, my laptop was started actually, so I have shut it down again, and again I restart and press F12 key. So I got this menu, means this trick is working, and now I got the boot manager here, and here you can see USB HDD flash disk, right? HDD and a tab CD-ROM like that, a network boot, and USB HDD USB flash disk. So this is our pen drive. So now we can install our Ubuntu or Linux from this pen drive. So right, this is the solution if you are not getting the boot manager by pressing F12. So you have to enable the boot menu from your BIOS setting. So first press F2 during your restart. After pressing the start button, you have to press F2 continuously without any delay, and then you have to go to the main menu by pressing the right arrow key, and then select the boot menu, F12 boot menu enable. So by using the enable button, so you can get the boot menu. Now if you restart your computer and press F12 continuously, so you will get the boot manager, and now I can boot this device. So initially I was stuck because I haven't got this boot manager. So this is the solution guys. I hope this video will help you a lot. So thank you guys, and in another video I will show you how to make this pen drive bootable. Okay, I'll how I made this pen drive bootable and what file you have to download from internet. So yeah, I will show this process in another video. Thank you guys, thank you. I hope this will works for you as well. Thank you guys.